Jeremy here at Pristine Grounds. My man Marcus. We got some rock we're putting in along this house. It's a beautiful house, beautiful property. Nice little log cabin. Spacious area. We're gonna be grass seeding this. Little spot over there by that gate. And putting some grass seed here as well. Right here along the house, we're gonna put some rock, fabric and rock. Get this all taken care of. Shouldn't be more than, maybe 3 or 4 hours. I'm just gonna put that stuff on there. Alright. Knife. My man's getting unloaded. I'll check back in with you when we got a little more progress done. Hey, have a shoot back. Hit it with this side of the trimmer. Remember, it's directional, so while it's spinning, if you hit it with this side, it's flinging at the house. You hit it on this side, it's gonna fling back. We don't want to coat it. I just like, this truck's already sinking in on the side over here. I don't want to dump over there where the camera's at, so we'll just keep going up with it here. Yeah, look how bad I was sinking right here.
Yeah, let's go down.
You see that shit? Just a little bit.
Yeah. Just a little bit, you ain't lying.
Alright. Now be honest with me, you want help shoveling some of this out? Or am I cool to go grab that dirt and shit?
Alright, go grab the dirt.
You sure?
Yeah,
I know this rock's a bitch, man.
it is. That's alright. How you get back with the dirt? It should be.
They look cool as shit. Like, that's like red.
There's a lot of colors in this
There's
dirt.
red, there's blue. Look at this shit. I'm keeping this rock. That's dirt. I'm keeping that sucker. The one lady said, hey, I can meet you tomorrow to look at rocks.
Right.
The same lady that's put it off like 4 or 5 times. You want your Carmex too? I know you like to keep them luscious.
Yeah, that'll work.
I got you. Okay. Alright, so I'm going right back to where we were, where we got the rock, and I'll be right, well, I gotta stop at the house and grab a shovel just because it'll be easier. This got like 20%. I'm gonna let it go here while I'm gone, but it's gonna die here in a bit. The camera loves you.
That ain't cool.
Alright, so I came back. I got peat moss, mushroom manure, and topsoil mixture. Dumped it out. We'll kind of toss it out and spread it around. A little bit here for right there. This will all get spread around here. About a yard and a half there. You got a little out there spread at that gate. You got to spread this back here. And Marcus, camera died on Marcus. Rock's about done. He's just finishing up a little bit. That's all Marcus. Look at that, it's beautiful. And he picked up the rocks that he dropped already. That way if they're like, man, that don't look good, I'll be like, oh, that was all Marcus. All Marcus, man. Retired drop dog, man. The retired drop dog. Yeah, retired. What you got in your pockets, huh? Everything got seeded, everything got straw on it. Everything's about all thrown out, seeds thrown out, it's mixed in. He's leveling out that little patch. We still got to throw out some straw, but car's address. There's QuickBooks for everything, so we're just gonna convert this estimate over to an invoice. It's rock and grass seed. So convert it and we send it on over. What's that, boss man?
Oh man, that's looking better already. Yeah, on the other side.
Alright, you gotta rinse the rock off, you gotta water this.
Oh yeah, I'll go get it.
Alright. Thank you. So, all the straw's out. Looks good. That's all done there. This part all seeded. Oh, this beautiful property. All this is tossed out, seed and straw. This as well. It's like the traffic areas where they walk in through down to the dogs. Alright, so got the rock washed, 2 rounds. Washed up, it's real pretty. Since last year, maybe so 4 yards. So blue slate. I thought the red would match nice with the log cabin color. Marcus is watering. I'm gonna drag this hose up for him and try to help instead of not doing anything. You ain't gonna need more room than that. You see everything wet because you can see the dark. It's okay. You're okay. You're a good boy, huh? You're not gonna bite me because you're in your pen, huh? Right? We're friends still. Yeah. Those are good boys too, huh? Those good boys. Yeah, I know. What's he got in his pockets, huh? Looks good. Is that from you spraying down there? Or is that coming out from the wall from washing the rock?
I ain't sprayed that.
No? Well, they didn't really put drainage behind it. I'm sure there's rock. Yeah, there's rock behind there.
It might have been when you sprayed the wall.
Some chips down. Yeah. Why wouldn't they have put the cut end on the bottom where you couldn't see? You can see clearly they cut that off. I'm gonna clean up while you're watering.
It worked okay.
Yeah. Flawlessly.
No, we were working with a realtor and we were done. We looked for a year and a half and we're like, we're done. And Elaine said, I got one more piece to show you. Tracy said, I'm not interested. You go and look. I started driving down this. And this was even before the fence, and it was still like a field. And I went, oh shit, we're moving.
This is it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
And Tracy saw it, you know, and then you got the game lanes here. I mean,
oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, we're very, very lucky. Look at this thing. 12 by 24.
With the shed?
Yeah. $6,100.
Oh yeah.
I couldn't build that for $6,100.
How'd you luck out on that?
Shawnee Structure, same place. They're Mennonites. They are just the most honest Christian people. He built it, brought it, dumped it off the truck, slid back out, done. And then this, the same thing, the same reasonable price. They're just incredible. And this thing's built awesome. Like a rock.
Yeah, it's like handcrafted.
Oh my God. You got tongue and groove, pine, you got 6-inch walls, and then tongue and groove pine on the inside. It's just 10-foot walls downstairs. There's those performance walls. I mean, this thing's is bulletproof. So we're very, very lucky.
It's definitely some goals.
Yeah, for sure. But they're attainable, you know.
Yeah.
It may not be in your timeline, but you know, it's whenever.
Well, not right now, but one day.
Yeah.
10 years ago, I had no idea the things that I could get my grasp on, you know.
And now look at you.
A little hard work, right?
Yeah.
That's all it is, too.
It really is, and what's even more exciting is you're in the driver's seat.
Yeah.
That's the most important. You're not working for somebody.
Yeah. Well, that's the deal breaker.
Huge.
That's what makes the difference.
Yeah. You're not making somebody else wealthy. You're making yourself wealthy. So this is what I got to do then.
Yeah. Yeah. You'll probably be out because all the different areas. You'll probably be out here for an hour doing it.
Okay.
You might be better off just getting a sprinkler, one here and one on that side. All right. I'm gonna blow off some stuff and clean up a little bit.
Okay.
I sent the invoice over to you.
Okay.
So I don't know if you're.
Yeah. And then when are you coming back to that other part?
The septic area.
Yeah.
I could probably get you in this upcoming week.
Okay.
If not, I'll try to see if I can push some things around to get it done this week. But if not, then I'll have you first thing.
Yeah, no rush. Yeah, and then I can either pay you for each or I can pay you all at once. You know, you let me know what's best for you. I'm good either way.
I mean, if you want to just do a check for today and.
Yeah. Oh, you want?
Because they'll be there'll be separate invoices just so that.
Yeah, let me. I got to check in my car.